This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Before you begin, inspect your waffle maker and countertop for safe setup and stability. Always plug into a grounded outlet and check the cord for damage before use. Position the unit on a heat-proof surface and maintain at least 3-5 inches clearance from walls and curtains. Keep children and pets away during operation. Avoid using metal utensils on non-stick plates to prevent coating damage. Use oven mitts when opening and closing the lid to protect your hands from steam and hot surfaces. Measure your batter carefully to avoid overflow and uneven cooking during each cycle. Use 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of batter per waffle, depending on grid depth and desired thickness. Preheat the waffle maker to 375 degrees F or the medium-high setting until the ready indicator lights. Lightly grease the plates with 1 teaspoon of oil or a quick spray only if the coating requires it. Pour the batter into the center and spread gently. Avoid pressing or spreading to the edges. Close the lid and allow waffles to cook undisturbed for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on recipe and thickness. Look for a golden brown color and listen for reduced steam before opening the lid. Remove waffles carefully with a silicone or wood spatula to avoid scratching the nonstick plates. Serve immediately or keep warm in an oven set to 200 degrees F for up to 15 minutes. After use, unplug the appliance and allow it to cool completely. Wipe the plates with a damp cloth and clean crevices with a soft brush to maintain performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.